Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up routines in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your tasks and lists organized for easy access. This is where you'll be building and managing your routines moving forward. Now, in the left sidebar, click on either Today, Inbox, or any preferred list where you want your routine to live. This choice depends on how you organize your workflow. Some people prefer keeping their routines in the Today view for immediate visibility, while others like using a dedicated list. Choose whatever works best for your personal task management style. Next, in the upper left corner, click on Add Task. This will open up a designated field where you can enter your routine. For example, type morning routine and then press Enter to create the task. This becomes the main container for all the smaller tasks that will make up your complete routine. Once you've created your main routine task, look over to the right panel. You'll notice an empty space directly below the task title. Click on that empty space to start adding individual tasks that make up your routine. For instance, type drink water and press Enter. This creates your first subtask within the routine. From here, the process becomes simple and repeatable. Enter your next task, like meditate for 10 minutes or do morning stretches, and press Enter to add it to your routine. Each time you press Enter, a new line appears where you can continue building out your routine with more tasks. Just repeat these steps as needed to add as many tasks as you want to your routine. You can create comprehensive morning routines, evening wind-down routines, workout routines, or any other sequence of tasks you regularly perform. The beauty of TickTick is that you can keep adding tasks until your routine is exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've now set up a functional routine in TickTick that you can reference and check off daily. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.